the show with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me. It's the 1st of October, 2021. I'm super excited to share with you our new Crafty Courtyard kit. I know I say it every month, but I love seeing everything all together. Here is our postcard. It gives you a little hint of what's inside. We've got this really cool rainbow with the different designs in it. We have this pretty watercolor background. On the back, it's going to tell you everything that's included in your kit. The theme is rainbows. We have our color palette. So of course this month it's a rainbow color palette. And we tell you where you can join our Facebook group, where you can share your creations with others and also see their inspiration. We'll start out with our paper that's included in the kit. This month, you're getting 2 sheets of our foil cardstock, so the 6x6 gold and silver foil cardstock. So here is our 8.5x11 cardstock that's in the kit this month. And boy, have we outdone ourselves. You're getting 5 sheets of our glitter paper in red, orange, green, this beautiful aqua blue, and this lovely purple here on top. So 5 sheets of full glitter paper and 2 of our white 110-pound ice rink cardstock. Oh, the glitter. It's going to be so much fun to create with. As always, you get your zippered mesh project bag. You're going to get a full 6x6 paper pack. That's 24 sheets of double-sided pattern paper, and it's printed on nice heavyweight cardstock. This is called Watercolor Rainbow. Oh, and just wait till you see what's inside. Look at these gorgeous watercolor backgrounds. They're already pre-done for you. And all you have to do is just use them as the backgrounds to your cards, or you can die cut them. So much fun to create with these. They're gorgeous. So we have 12 different watercolor backgrounds. And then on the back, the other 12 patterns, I've taken those watercolor backgrounds and created polka dots. Look how fun that is. We also have stripes. And then I thought it would be fun to throw in a little petite flower pattern. So we've got these really pretty watercolor backgrounds with the flowers. Oh, they're gorgeous. We have a beautiful, exclusive to the kit, Confetti Sequin mix this month. Just really pretty reflective sequins. I thought since there's so much color in the other items in the kit, we'd add something with just some sparkle to it. We also have our glitter enamel dots in the colors of the rainbow. Coordinate with the kit perfectly. You're going to get a 1-inch little collectible pin or flare button, and everyone's will be a little bit different. I've used those watercolor backgrounds, so you never know what color combination you're going to get. It's fun. We have a 6x6 embossing folder. This is called the Rainbow Embossing Folder. Look how fun that is to emboss all these rainbows in the background. You're going to get a 6x6 stencil. So this stencil has all the parts of the rainbow, as well as the cloud, some little flowers, some raindrops, some stars, and a couple of hearts. So that's going to be fun to create our rainbows with the stencil. Our die set, and I don't have it in hand as I'm filming this video, so I had to print out what it looks like. So you're going to get a large set of dies with this kit, and the dies will cut out the parts of the rainbow, the cloud, a couple of hearts, and then you're going to get a sentiment die as well that says sending cheer. And it also has the shadow feature that you can use with or without it. So you could cut out just the sending cheer, or you could cut it out and the shadow piece to go behind it. Lots of fun there. And last but not least is the 6x6 stamp set. And oh, is this fun. This stamp set, I was so excited to design this. So you're going to use your die and your stencil to create just your plain rainbow pieces. And then these rainbow pieces, and there's a couple of each size. So the largest rainbow piece, here's one here that has these stripes. Here's another one here with the stars. So there's two of each size of the rainbow, so you could mix and match. But these are fun patterns that you can create rainbow in just the patterns and use it like that. Or you can stencil your base rainbow and then stamp these fun designs over it. It just has so many different looks that you can create for some unique rainbows. We also have some sentiments. You put me on cloud 9. Brighter days are ahead. You are my rainbow on a cloudy day. And I can't wait to see what fun things you create with this kit. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you love our Rainbow Crafty Courtyard kit this month as much as I do. You can head on over to pinkandmade.com to check it out for yourself. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.